my husband's birthday, and we're doing like he likes everything homemade. He doesn't like a whole bunch of stuff. So me and my mother-in-law, like, I decided to do breakfast, and she's cooking him a homemade like dinner, hot malt, stuff like that. Like, that's what he liked. So I have, this is my first time doing waffles, y'all. I'm like, oh my god, this is so cute. But I'm doing waffles, potatoes. I have a steak in the air fryer, eggs, and then we're gonna do like the orange juice with the strawberries, and then I have a bowl of fruit in the refrigerator, and the little setup is gonna be like here, right here, and then I have like balloons for when he comes out and everything. So it's gonna be really nice. I'm excited. We put everything together really well, I think. Hope he likes it. Welcome back. What's today? Today is Saturday. I know I'm dressed like I'm going to the gym, but I'm not. I'm going to wash my car with my mother-in-law. I was supposed to be going like 8 something this morning. It's 9:30, but I had to feed the kids. I straightened up a little bit, and I have some candles that my mother-in-law had got me, but certain scents I'm not crazy about. And so we're gonna go back to Bath and Body Works and exchange those. All this hype about the black tie, it ain't hitting. Like, I thought it was gonna be like, I like the mahogany. What you doing? See, I don't like driving behind people like this. I have the mahogany. I like the mahogany tint wood, because, you know, it smells like a man. And I thought the black tie, like, when you smell the black tie without burning it, it smells amazing. It smells so good. But once you burn it, like, my husband lit it yesterday after we cleaned or whatever, and I was like, I don't smell nothing. And that's very rare with, well, the type of scents that I get from okay, this is the type of scents that I get from Bath and Body Works. I normally, you can smell them like within a good 15-30 minutes after you light it. It be lit. That one didn't do nothing. We had it burning like all morning, and I'm like, I don't smell nothing. Like, I don't smell nothing. So the hype on that is booty cheeks, literally. So the new scents that I tried that I'm gonna exchange for is the is it Midnight Citrus? I like Midnight Citrus and Mahogany Coconut. Oh my god, Mahogany, I might get 2 Mahogany Coconuts, because it just smells like a nice clean house, like a nice clean area. It smells so good. It smells so good. So that's what we're gonna do. So I guess I get little clips or whatever with, okay, now y'all tripping, of that's why you gotta slow down truck, of us washing the cars. Y'all, I can't get over my cut. Like, and I didn't even cut that much. I cut probably like an inch or an inch and a half, but I can tell it's like, it's so healthy now. It looks so much better. Like, yeah. I don't normally wash my own car. My husband do this. Yeah, honey. Yeah, my husband do all this. I'm doing this for fun today. What? I'm hanging with y'all single ladies doing this for fun today. You know what I'm saying? Oh, man. I'm still with y'all, though. This is my broom. I threw on the floor like this. He do. I talked to him this morning. Yeah. I'm tired. And then they're back here. So look, she over there washing her car.
Oh, wow.
She over there washing her car. And I still haven't did the front of mine. Oh, shit. I was talking to my camera, showing my fits. But I said, you see my hair, child? Cut them down. I only cut like an inch and a half. It came out pretty good. But yeah. You. Edge is looking kind of crusty, but I'll be alright. I said my edge is looking kind of crusty. You know that what is it? That not eco styler gel. What I'm trying to say? Edge control that I got. Sometimes it'll leave it white, but if I oh, it didn't get white. It just didn't hold it down. It just looked greasy. But yeah, it'll be all right. We're done washing the cars. They clean. Look at midnight. Okay, baby girl. You looking clean. She looking clean. All right, midnight. Okay. Y'all, I helped the girls clean their room, so I'm in here watching TV with them. And I try to tell my daughter to keep her room clean like this. Don't know if it's gonna work. Y'all can't see me. I don't know why I Thought I put it on audio for the lighting, but guess I didn't. I don't know. Is this on the focus? Defocus? Clear? Defocus. This ain't work right now. Why not work? What is it doing? Okay. So, okay, y'all, maybe you guys can see me better right here. Then I feel like the light, I don't know what's going on with this thing, but yeah. But yeah, so I'm gonna end the video out here. You gonna keep your room clean?
Yep. But my baby's sad.
Oh, let me show y'all her baby. This her house, but their house. It's at the top. Let me see. Come on. Let's go inside. Okay, y'all see? She got me up in this darn tent. Ain't no room in here.
I know.
Your house small.
Yes, small.
So y'all. So let me show y'all their baby. This is her baby. I call myself doing her hair.
Her sleep.
Oh, she sleep? Okay, I'll leave her alone. My bad. I'll leave your child alone. And then this is Kamaya's baby.
Her name is Ava.
And Aya's baby name is Ava. And Kamaya.
What Kamaya baby name?
What you got on, girl?
This girl. What's Kamaya baby name?
What's your baby name?
I know what her
You
baby
don't know?
name can be.
What her baby name could be?
Unicorn.
Unicorn.
Yeah, because I got unicorn stuff on.
Okay, so her name's gonna be Unicorn. But yeah, so I'm gonna just end the vlog out here because I'm gonna just do her hair. I'm gonna do her hair and
Kamaya hair?
yeah. So I'm gonna... Okay, so I want you to sit down.
My baby cried because y'all talking.
Okay, well I'm finna get out your house. Your house is hot. You don't have AC in here, so I'm about to go anyway. I'm about to go. It ain't no AC in here. It's hot in here. I'm finna go. Right, you guys. I'm just end the vlog here, and
My baby got some pants. My baby. And it looked like it's a shirt.
yeah, but I'll catch you guys in my next vlog. Thank you for watching. Make sure you thumbs
But you
up and
always say
subscribe.
that.
So see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Bye. Now you want to order some pizza?